Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is ariannamaee and I'm into plus size fashion. So for today's video I am doing another SHEIN trend haul. If you didn't know already, I did post one on Thursday, and that is because when I made this order I bought 18 items and I split it up into 2 hauls. So if you're interested in seeing the other one, I will have it linked in the description box below so you can go ahead and check that out. For today's video I did pick up quite a variety of items from different styles and different seasons. I have some tops, some skirts, a dress, so it is going to be a pretty fun haul for you guys. As always, links to everything will be down in the description box below, as well as my stats, so you can check out my measurements, and a link to my Poshmark closet so you can shop my size. I don't want to ramble on for too long, I just want to get into this video, so let's go ahead and do that. So the first piece I have to share with you guys today is a cute little Colorblock number. It is called the Plus Contrast Stitch Colorblock Top. I got in a size 2X and it was originally $11. So this is what the top looks like. It is a pretty colorful top. You have some orange, pink, yellow, blue, purple. It is honestly very beautiful. I love how it looks. I love that it has a small mock neck here with a lettuce edge hem. The top is a long sleeve top and it is also cropped. The shirt itself is kind of see-through, but honestly I don't care too much about that because I'll just wear a beige bra with it. And it does have this contrast stitching on it. So if you don't know what contrast stitching is, this is what contrast stitching is. If you don't like the way that looks, you're not going to like this top. The top itself is super stretchy and super comfortable. It's not itchy anywhere and it looks pretty nice on a bod. I do recommend it. Is super cute and a really great price for the quality. The next item I have to share with you guys today is again another top. It is called the Plus Plunging Neck Lace Panel Leopard Top. I got in a size 2X and it was originally $14. So this top is very sultry. It is very cute. I love it. This is what it looks like. It is a very deep V-neck, hence the plunging V-neck, and it does have some buttons here at the bottom next to this lace floral pattern. The top itself is not stretchy at all, but you don't really need to have stretch when it comes to this top. The pattern itself is this leopard print, so if you're not into animal print, you're not going to like this. It is throughout the entire top. It is a long sleeve top and the bottom of the sleeve is stretchy, so it will conform to multiple wrist sizes. It is also a fairly cropped top, so if you're not into crop tops, you're not going to be into this. Honestly, I would pair this top with a pair of high-waisted jeans or with a denim skirt. I think that would look super cute. I really do like the style of this top. I think it is stunning and it is definitely a really big statement piece. The next item I have to share with you guys today is a skirt. Now this skirt was just slightly too small. It was very tight around the bum area. It is called the Plus High Waist Ruched Skirt. I got in a size 3X and it was originally $13. This is what the skirt looks like. Buyer beware, it smells horrible. It smells like fish and not good fish. I'm a really big fish eater. I love sushi. I love pretty much any type of seafood, but this does not smell good at all. It is also not stretchy, so you need to make sure to get your right size, because if you don't get your right size, it is not going to fit. It does have a zipper on the back, so it is easier to get in and out of, but again, if it doesn't fit you, it's not going to work that well. It is a nice mini skirt. It does go right above my knee, and it also has ruching on the side here. What is interesting about this skirt is that the back has this zipper, of course, but it also has like this ruching mark, and the ruching mark makes it look like your butt is a little bit more voluminous. So if that is something you're into, you're definitely going to like this skirt. It is a fake leather skirt, so it does have like a leathery plastic look to it, but it looks fairly good, honestly. The next item I have to share with you guys today is a top. It is called the Plus Two-Tone Button Front Top. I got in a size 2X and it was originally $15. Again, I am super into like color blocking, the two-tone, like contrast. I really do like the look of it. I picked up this top because it looks like it's a pretty lightweight top, which it is. It is kind of see-through because it is this cream color, but again, I don't really care too much about that. It is a two-tone, so it is brown, it is cream, which looks fairly good, and it does have these buttons here on the front. The buttons aren't exactly lined up correctly, so like the gap between the top and the middle is a little bit different than the gap between the middle and the bottom, but if you don't care about like the little nitpicky things, I don't don't really think that's a problem. I don't care, so I would definitely get a lot of wear out of this. It is pretty lightweight and super stretchy. I didn't feel any pulling between the buttons, which is nice. And the reason why it doesn't have any pulling is because it is stitched. So if you wear this top, it will not pull. It is a long sleeve top and it has this little cuff here. It's also cropped, so it does give more waist definition. This next piece is a piece that I was really excited for, but also really disappointed with because it just didn't match my expectations. It is called the Plus Strawberry Print Split Hem Skirt. I got in a size 3X and it was originally $8. So this is what the skirt looks like. It is this strawberry print skirt. I will have it closer so you can see the detailing to it. There's strawberries throughout the entire thing. It is a mini length skirt, so it does go above the knee and it has absolutely no stretch to it. It also has this side zip, so it is easier to get in and out of, and it is functional. It does work. The skirt itself I thought would be more bodycon, but it's actually an A-line skirt, so it kind of flares out at the bottom, which I wasn't a super big fan of. It is also extremely see-through, so you would have to wear a lighter underwear underneath it. Like I said before, the skirt isn't stretchy, so you'd have to get your correct size. This skirt, unfortunately, was too big for me, which is a problem that I've been running into recently a lot with SHEIN. I think that they changed their sizing a little bit because I've been getting a lot more inconsistencies than I usually do. Overall, the skirt is pretty cute. You just have to like the style in order to wear it. It is an A-line skirt, and if you are into that, this is a great piece. I think it would look really good with whites or like light pinks, maybe even some band tees. You can like grunge it up a bit with a fake leather top. It has a lot of opportunity for it. The next item I have to share with you guys today are a pair of pants. They're called the Plus Solid Split Thigh Elastic Waist Pant. I got them in a size 3X and they were originally $15. The model made these pants look super cute, but in person they are disastrous. I just think they were a little too baggy for my body type. It does have an elastic waistband, so it will conform to multiple body shapes and sizes, which is really nice. And then the material itself on the bottom here is just a slightly stretchy. It is a long pant, but it has these split hems that go all the way up to your thigh, which is a great detail, but again, I think these were too baggy to actually look nice on me. They weren't tight around any part of my body, which was really nice. If you were to tuck a blouse into this, I think that would look super cute, or maybe even like a form-fitting halter crop top. That would look amazing as well. They are a lightweight pair of pants. They're not see-through, which is amazing. They're perfect for like the spring and fall months. I just didn't really like this pair because they were a little too baggy for my liking, but if you're into like the more baggier look, or if you size down, they would probably look amazing on you. The next item I have to share with you guys today is a beautiful dress. It is called the Plus Asymmetrical Hem Overall Dress. I got in a size 2X and it was originally $17. This dress is stunning. So it is kind of just like an overall dress. It does have the original like square neckline overall part of it with these little adjustable straps here. The dress itself is fairly stretchy, so it will fit to multiple shapes and sizes. It also has a back zipper, so it is easier to get in and out of, and the waist comes in a little bit for that waist definition. It is an asymmetrical hem. It kind of reminds me of like a handkerchief hem, so it goes up and down, and it is a mini length despite it being asymmetrical. I really like this dress because I have been super into overall dresses. I think this looks really great on my body. It does poof out a little bit at the hips, but I don't really care too much for that. I think it is super cute, and you could get so much wear out of this. You could do banties, you could do some tie-dye. I think that tie-dye would look really great under this, especially in more like the fall time, but you could also like spring it up with some nice pastels. I think the overall dress is super cute and very trendy, and I definitely think it's going to be a piece I will wear a lot in the springtime. The next item I have to share with you guys today is a top. It is called the Plus Solid Shirred Drawstring Front Crop Top. I got in a size 2X and it was originally $16. So this is what the top looks like. Honestly, the quality of this top is really high. It's a really thick top, and it doesn't really feel like SHEIN quality. It feels more of like Forever 21, Rue 21. It's really nice for SHEIN. Like, I cannot get over how nice this top is. So the top itself is smocked throughout the entire thing, so it will stretch to multiple body shapes and sizes. The sleeves on it are a long sleeve. It does have this dot print throughout the entire top, and then an elastic band at the wrist. It is slightly off the shoulder, so you can wear this on the shoulder or off the shoulder, however you prefer. And it is very stretchy on the top as well, so it will go either way. You can actually adjust the little pieces right here to go up and down, so you can cover more of your torso, or you can leave it up and show off a little bit more skin. I think this top is super cute. I love the coloring to it. I really do like a good beige top. I think it looks really good on my skin tone, and I can't wait to wear this. The last item I have to share with you guys today is another top. It is called the SHEIN Plus Frill Trim V-Bar Off-Shoulder Tee. I got in a size 2X and it was originally $8. I really like this top. I think it is super cute. It is more form-fitting, so it does show off the curves. It is also an off-shoulder top, and I'm really into off-shoulder, cold shoulder, whatever will show off my tattoos. It does have this ruffle hem here on the top and on the sleeves as well. And it does have this ribbed pattern on it. I don't know if you can see it, but it is slightly ribbed. The V-bar here on the front has a metal piece in it, so it will stay in place. It is very structured, and the material itself is very stretchy and not see-through at all. I really do like this top, and I recommend it to anybody who likes it as well. It is a really good price, and it looks super cute. I can see myself wearing this with a lot of skirts, but also with a pair of jeans as well. Okay, you guys, that's officially the end of this video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and if you like me, my personality, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I do a lot of plus size fashion, a lot of try-on hauls. I post 2 times a week, Tuesdays and Saturdays, and then I'll throw in a little Thursday video here and there. If you have any questions, comments, or video suggestions, please don't be afraid to leave them down in the comment box below. I am a smaller channel, so I will get back to you. As well as that, if you have a styling Instagram that you would love to share, I would love to follow you. So go ahead, put it in there. I want to support all my fellow content creators. Links to everything will be found in the description box below, as well as my stats, so you can check out my measurements, and a link to my Poshmark closet so you can shop my size. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye!